Want to track your store traffic and user behavior in real time? In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Analytics to your Shopify store the right way. First of all, you want to start by creating a Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com if you don't already have one. Once that is set, now you want to head over to shopify.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, find the option of app, then click on add. From here, scroll down and find the option of Shopify App Store. Click on that. Now, you want to click on the Google and YouTube option. Then click on install. Once it has been installed, you will find the Google and YouTube option here. Click on the spin icon. Once that is done, you want to click on connect Google account. Now go ahead and select your account. After that, click on Continue. Here, click on Select All and click on Continue. After that, you want to select your Google account, such as Google Merchant Center account. If you don't have one, you can simply create new. Then you will have to check your online store requirements. Google will verify these essentials to ensure a high level of trust and safety for customers. If there is anything you haven't added, make sure to add that. Once that is done, you want to click on the Complete Setup option. Once the setup has been completed, you want to click on the Preferences option. Now paste your measurement ID into Google Analytics field. If you're using Google Analytics 4, make sure Enhanced E-commerce tracking is enabled in both Google and Shopify for full event tracking. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.